Okay, so for added bonus here, I'm going to do two examples for you in your foldable here, simple and compound interest. Okay, first we're going to start out with some vocabulary words here. The amount of money that you begin with, which is the P, which is going to be the principal. Okay, the percentage an investor will earn on an investment each year, R, which is the rate. The amount of interest earned on the principal only would be simple interest. And the interest that is earned on principal and the interest that's already earned will be compound interest. Okay, so for this example here, I'm going to use the formula for both, find the simple and the compound interest. Okay, so let's look at this example. It says you open a savings account at Bank of America. Your savings account will earn a 9% interest rate for 5 years. 9% interest rate for 5 years. We're going to find the interest you will have earned if you deposit $10,000 with simple and compound interest. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is, okay, we're going to write out what we already know here, what's already given for us. So our rate is given to us, which is 9%. And we know we always turn that into a decimal. So that's 0.09. Our time is given to us, which is 5 years. And our principal balance is given to us, what we started with, $10,000. Okay, so now with simple interest, we know we're going to do I equals P R T. And all we're going to do is just plug these numbers in. So principal is 10,000. My rate is 0.09. And my time is 5. Okay, now when we calculate this, again, we multiply 10,000 times 0.09, and we get that answer and multiply it by 5. Now, our interest here is equal to 4,500. Okay? Now, if we want to say our total plus our interest, the principal plus the interest, it would be $10,000 plus 4,500. So my total here would be 14,000. Oops, too many zeros. 14,500. Okay, so this is how much would be earned if I deposit $10,000 with simple interest. So let's see how much it would be with compound interest. All right. So with compound interest, we know our formula is A equals P times 1 plus R to the T. Okay, we're going to use the same numbers, plug them in. So it's equal to 10,000 times 1 plus the rate, which is 0.09 to the 5th. Okay, if we go through here, and if we do 1 plus that is 1.09 to the 5th. Now I'm going to break this down right here so you understand. This is not 1.09 times 5. This is 1.09 times 1.09 times 1.09 times 1.09 times 1.09. So to make you understand that, I'm actually going to write that out. Five times. Just so you can see, that's what that means. Okay, so if I get my calculator and I calculate that out, I would get 1.53863. Okay. Now when I multiply that out, I'm going to get, my total would be 15,386.24. Okay. Because I would just move this over how many decimal places I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me make that known with you because we're multiple. It's a multiple. It's a power of 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So we're gonna do 4 loop-de-loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's where I got that from there. We just didn't make that up. Okay. So that's how we get that right here. And I'm pretty sure it was a number behind it that was 5 and above to make that a 4. All right. So if we wanted to do just the interest, it would be the 15,386.24. But if I wanted to add my principal onto it, well, to see what it was, I would do okay, that would be my, if I wanted to calculate just what my interest would be, I would take what my total would be here, subtract my principal, and I would get what my interest is to get just the interest. Okay. So here's the way simple, and here's compound. Okay. Now you should be able to do your other two examples on your own.